I was compensated for this review. This is the under sink organizer. These are all of the pieces that it came with. I'm going to put it together and show you what it looks like. It was really easy to follow the instructions. We just put those bars in and then the screws in and tightened up the screws so it's going to stay together. And then we tightened up the top screws, and it came with the Allen wrench, so you don't need any extra tools to put this together. And then there are stickers you put on the bottom, so this isn't going to scratch anything you put on. Here it is all put together. You can see the top shelf is adjustable, so you can take it off and make it go higher or lower. You can also use this in the kitchen, under the sink, or in the bathroom, or even in your office, organize all of your mail and things like that. And then it has the slide ball guide rail on the bottom, so it goes either way. It has the nice L-shaped design, so it's smaller on the top and then wider on the bottom. And it has those non-skid feet that we put on, so it's not going to scratch anything, and they're just attached to the actual sink organizer. So this is a nice thickened steel, and you can put heavier items in here. I think this is going to be really durable. I hope this review helps.